Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an affordable prom makeup look for you guys. So if you like seeing prom videos, give it a big thumbs up so I know. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll greatly appreciate that. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Alright guys, so I just put my hair back and kind of just prep my face. So we're going to prime it and then put on some foundation before we do our eyebrows and our eyes. So I'm first taking my Mario Badescu Cucumber Aloe Spray. My face a little bit extra hydration, especially around this area because I did break out from a face mask and it kind of just escalated throughout my whole face. So if you see it being really red, that's why. So as for primer, I use this pretty much on an everyday basis, which is the Nivea Pulse. I think it's the Post Shave Balm, and it's for men after shaving, but I use it as a primer. And I got the one in sensitive because I do have sensitive skin. Gonna rub it all in our face. Alright, next we're taking our L'Oreal Magic BB Cream in Anti-Redness. So as for foundation, I'm actually going to mix two to kind of get my color that I need. So the first one I'm taking is from CoverGirl. It's the Healthy Elixir in Buff Beige. Next I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 209. And this one is a little bit more darker. It's my summer shade, but I'm lightly going to mix a little bit of this into the lighter foundation. So we are just moving on to our eyebrows, but I'm going to film it off camera since it's a lot easier to do, but I'll tell you what I'm using. So I am actually taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown, and it is a fine tip, which looks like that. So my brows are filled in, but I want to show you guys this little trick that I use. So since it is a more affordable tutorial that I'm doing for you guys, I'm not going to use my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel because this is on the more expensive side. I think it's like $23 for this clear brow gel, but I also use this trick all the time. So take any hairspray that you want and then any spoolie that you have, and you're just gonna spritz it like that and then just comb through your brows, and voila, your eyebrows are set. And it works just as well as using a clear brow gel from. We are using our ColourPop Double Indendre palette today, and this retails for $16. Take some Scotch tape and put it on the side of our lids. But before, I like to put it on my palm so it's not as sticky when you take it off. Alright, so I just zoomed you guys up a little so you guys can get a better look on the eyelids. So from this palette, the first color that we're going to take is Draft, and just put that all over our lids. And we are just taking this Real Techniques C brush, and like I said, just setting the entire lid. Next, we're taking the color next to Draft, which is the color Hard, and we're taking our Luxie 205 blending brush, and we are putting it all over our crease. So we're just going to use the same brush that we just used, and we are taking the color down below, which is Send Noodles, right here. We're just taking this color called Extracurricular, which is this like burgundy brown color right here. And I'm just taking this angle brush from Post Sense to use on the crease. color, and I'm using this Lexi 249 brush. So this is what I just used to blend out the brown color, and then I'm taking this flat side for our lid color. So we'll get back to the eyes momentarily, but as for our highlight, we're taking from Maybelline our Master Concealer in the shade Light. So my camera kept overheating, so I just had to give it a little break, but I just basically blended the highlight portion out. And next we're moving on to our contour. So we're just taking from LA Girl our Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. So as for our nose contour, we're taking our Morphe M164 brush and took whatever is on the back of my hand and lightly put it on. Alright, so to bake our highlight, we're just taking from Makeup Revolution our banana baking powder and just taking this damp beauty blender to set it. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly put on mascara and some lashes, but I just want to let you know what I'm using before I film it off camera. So as for mascara, I'm taking my Rimmel Volume Colorist in the color black. And then as for lashes, I already used them, but they are the Lash Couture in the style Splendor. I'm going to quickly film that off camera and I'll be right back. So I just finished putting on my lashes, and then I just took from LA Girl, it's just like a gel pencil, and I just tight line my lash line and my waterline. So now we're just going to wipe off the excess banana powder. And as for bronzer, we're taking from Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sundance. I don't know if people still use Coastal Scents, but I personally do. So I'm just going to go ahead and take from this palette from Coastal Scents, this color right here. It's more of a natural color. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a fan brush to apply it. We are taking two forms of highlighters. So the first one is a liquid form, which is from NYX. It's Away We Glow. I'm just going to lightly put it on my cheekbones. We're taking from e.l.f. It's their Bake Highlighter in Moonlight Pearl. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this Morphe 5110 brush. So going back to the palette, we're taking Extracurricular again and using this small little brush to smoke out the the waterline. And we're just going to go ahead and use this Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Nude Flesh. Oh, Nude Flush.